So hey guys, so today we're gonna do a slime challenge, and we're doing blindfolded slime. And if you haven't subscribed, please smash that subscribe button like I'm gonna smash
in the face.
And if you haven't been part of the
notification squad,
honey, turn on your notification bell so you can put the notification squad. And
let's
get started. Then I'm gonna put your blindfold on.
So let's put this in.
I'm gonna put your blindfold on.
Okay, chill out.
Let me find it. Done?
Yeah. Ready, set, and go. Found the glue. Time to pour it in. We're gonna pour all the glue in.
Guys, I hate that sound. I kind of love it because I like it when it's relax.
Make sure you take off all the glue because last time when we made slime, she still had a little bit glue in there. And I think my mom did that.
And we cannot find the stainless solution. We're going to put it inside the bowl. Okay, I fell through that bowl. So guys, I'm going to go put some water in my thing.
I'm not. Or, Najee, don't do that. It's going to become like last time.
It's good slime.
I'm going to put my Tide already.
No, you know mine is good.
I hope I don't pour that much.
Okay.
I think I put a little bit. Or I put like...
Ah, I got glue in my mouth. Ah!
What?
I got glue in my mouth. Just keep mixing.
Did you need a towel?
No, I got one.
Okay.
I found
do you know where the towels are?
Because I saw one because I felt one in the floor.
That must be dirty.
So now I'm adding
And my slime?
It's becoming, I don't know.
I think I need a little bit more Tide.
I'm using Tide.
Where's the Tide?
Ah!
I thought I was going to drop it for a second. Do not move me.
The Tide fell down.
I'm peaceful here.
I thought it fell down. Okay, whatever. Just do it. Hold on the table.
I heard those reindeer.
I don't even know the
I
song.
think that's enough. I know a little bit of the song. I don't know that.
Was the night before Christmas, night before Christmas, and all through the house, not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse, I heard those reindeers, reindeers
flying to the sky.
That's all. They're
bringing
out Santa,
He's my guy.
He's my guy.
It's Christmas Eve. Oh, do you guys like my ring?
Why are you laughing?
I don't know.
What a weird laugh.
Oh, we lit.
We lit every single day, bro.
It's every day, bro.
It's every day.
I can't wait for the Christmas Day, bro, tomorrow.
Oh, same. I forgot about that.
You know that it's tomorrow, right?
Yeah, of course.
How come you don't know that?
I don't know.
I'm a Drake baller.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, why did you?
I have my eyes closed. How do you expect me to get the Tide?
Let me see. You barely put them down. Put them down.
I know.
They're bringing no Santa.
Okay.
Ow! I'm scratching myself. Do you put them back down? I cannot
Yep.
see. Oh, my eyes. I thought you put them.
There's too much detergent.
No.
How do you know?
I don't know. I just said no. But I'm legit do not know.
Mhm.
What? Did I put too much?
How am I supposed to know? I think I.
Because you have your eyes open. Duh. I know
Are you cheating at me?
No.
Well, I don't have my eyes open. You can even check.
He's my guy.
He's my. I think I overactivated mine.
My slime.
Guys, comment down below if I overactivated mine because I feel like I did.
I don't think you did.
I think I did.
I think I put some activator in my hands.
I think I need to go on my hands. Okay.
I feel like you're watching me. I'm like,
You wanted to cheat, right?
let's do a clickbait.
Go down. Guys, I need to put on a
Is
blindfold.
mine slime already? No. I need more. Hey, no! Leave my.
Why there's a lot of slime in my... I mean, there's a lot of slime in my cuchara.
There?
There is. I just felt it. My hand.
Okay, put your thing down now.
Yeah. Down, okay.
I'll show you what I want, what I really want.
I think you
I'll
need
tell
to...
you what I want, what I really want. I want it, I want it.
Okay, let's put it on.
It's my slime. Hey,
Sorry.
don't touch.
Sorry. I think it is slime because I felt slimy.
Give it away too easy, but that's the way it is.
Kimberly can sleep here tomorrow.
How?
Because Travis not going to sleep here.
Why?
He has a lot of work. A lot of work.
Work.
And he tied.
I think I'm enough of tied. Stop.
So, yeah.
It's Christmas Eve. Christmas Eve. Ho, 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 Christmas Eve. Ho, ho. I think I could look at my slime now. Ah!
Sorry.
Let's see the video.
Okay, ready?
Let's
Bye, guys.
No, not yet. So,
Comment down below what was
Remember.
your favorite slime.
team hashtag Amy Team Amy Squad. And
Remember that you need to like the best team of all, the 18.
okay, so smash that subscribe button. Don't forget to do that. And bye.
Comment down below what was your favorite slime.
Yeah.
Bye.